In this video, I'm going to explain why some fragrances bothers and makes me feel nauseous. As you know, one of my strengths is recognizing toxic and harmful substances. If you ever smelled a perfume or air freshener and felt dizzy or nauseous, you're not the only one. Sensitivity to specific chemicals in strong fragrances can trigger reactions like nausea and headaches. So many of the scents we love, whether it is perfume, candles, or air fresheners, might smell great, but they can actually mess with our health. You might not notice it right away, but those lovely smells could be causing headaches or even long-term issues. So what is really going on? First off, artificial fragrances. These substances are prevalent in various products: perfumes, colognes, deodorants, and even laundry detergents. Some scented detergents can be overwhelming, leading me to choose unscented options instead. Many of these items contain synthetic chemicals that may cause reactions such as dizziness or headaches. If you've ever applied your favorite perfume only to find yourself with a migraine, those chemicals might be responsible. Now, let's talk about essential oils. I know these are supposed to be all natural, right? And many of them are, but not all essential oils are created equal. Some are mixed with synthetic filters to cut costs, and those can have the same harmful effects, sometimes even messing with your hormones. So what I mean is, while essential oils can be great, you've got to be picky. And then there are scented candles. Who doesn't love lighting a cozy candle, especially in the evening? But here's the downside. When you burn this, they can release chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene. That might sound a little scary, and for good reason. Breathing those in regularly can mess with your air quality and potentially affect your respiratory system. Oh, and don't forget about incense. It is calming and smells amazing, but burning incense can actually release toxins into the air. It has been linked to things like shortness of breath and even higher risks of heart disease. It might seem harmless, but it is definitely something to think about. And this isn't just about feeling a little off after using these products. Fragrance sensitivities affect millions of people, and prolonged exposure to these harmful chemicals can lead to bigger issues, like hormonal disruptions and even cancer. It is a high price to pay for something that just smells nice, right? So what can you do about it? Here are a few tips to keep your space smelling fresh without putting your health at risk. First thing I want to mention is choose fragrance-free products. Your body will thank you. Check labels, look for products that don't have synthetic chemicals, or at least minimize them. If you love essential oils, make sure you're buying the pure ones, no cheap fillers. When it comes to scented stuff, less is more, and it goes along the way. The good news is you don't have to give up nice smells entirely. By making smarter choices, you can enjoy a fresh, inviting space without the health risks. So next time you're tempted by that amazing smelling candles or perfume, take a second to think about what is in it. Your health is worth it. Have you ever had a bad reaction to a fragrance? I'd love to hear your experiences. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on a living healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay mindful and stay healthy.